Hi there, and the Retro Computing Wizard is back with another unboxing. This is my trusty tool here for unboxing. Don't have time to go get scissors. It's actually a quick video. I just wanted to open these up. So I read a post somewhere that told me about a cool way to get modern SEGA style controllers. This company here, 8-bit do ABIT, sorry, I should number 8 BITDO. I'll put it up there, you can see it. 8-bit do. They make a whole series of wireless controllers. They're Bluetooth, most of them. They make some other technologies too, but Bluetooth is the preferred one. This one is for the Android, iOS, Mac OS, Windows. It's totally Bluetooth compatible, so you can use it with your PC as well. And it's got a built-in 480 mega amp lithium battery, firmware upgradable for functional expansion in the future. It's compatible with iOS, CAD, Android, Windows, and Mac. Can program the key setup. Classic D-pad, 4-shoulder button design. Bluetooth and USB connectivity. You can hook it up directly to USB, I believe. And do touchscreen Bluetooth keyboard, all that stuff. So there you go. So you have this is your controller, and then they make a series of receivers here, which I've already picked up. So I bought these to go with some other hardware that I found about, which I think is going to be in my unboxing coming up here. So this is the same company, but it's the receiver. So it's basically an inline receiver, and it has a little charging USB cable there. So once you get that set up, then this will connect to this, and this goes in your standard, I guess, SEGA port. However, I don't have an SEGA, probably won't get one. I might one day, but it's not a big deal. It's not high on my priority list. But what I do have, of course, as we all know, are a bunch of Atari stuff. So one of these, hopefully this one, shall be the piece of kit. We don't say kit here in America for some reason, but I am sort of an Anglophile. I noticed in other countries that is the word of choice. So this is indeed, I believe, that thing that I was talking about. So this came from, excuse me, this came from rafnettech.com, R-A-P-H-N-E-T tech. I'll hold it up there, rafnettech.com. There you go. And it is an SEGA controller to Atari Commodore adapter, because they use the same 9-pin type joysticks. It was $39.95, $8.63 shipping for me in US here was $48.58. And what it is exactly what it says there. It is an adapter. Comes like that. That takes a standard SNES controller and moves it to an Atari 9-pin. So from a post I read elsewhere, taking this wireless receiver instead of the hardwired controller, we should be able to plug this into this and then use this wireless controller to connect to this, which is plugged into this, and voila, suddenly we are wirelessly controlling our Atari hardware and or Commodore hardware. So there you go. That's a great way to get modernized with our joysticks and all that stuff using a standard controller. My understanding is these are really fairly comfortable controller style controllers. And a friend of mine actually wired in another video I had a wired SEGA controller that had been rewired for 9-pin as well. So I have that wired option as well. I have more than one machine, so I'll probably just only buy one of these. But whatever one I'm happen to play the most, or on the biggest screen, or if I move it into the big room on a big TV, it might be the way to go using this particular controller. So I'm looking forward to that. Let's see what else I got in this video. I'm actually just going to unbox them all. Well, I'll say that I'll do another video for that, because that'll be more fun. So that's it for now. All about wireless SNES controllers and the Atari and or Commodore 9-pin. Game on. Retro Computing Wizard out.